Alright guys, we're back over here. Well, we haven't left. So we got some of the drywall off. You found the job site trash can. You can see where the insulation was shoved down. Now all that was just shoved in there. Pulled that piece of drywall that was there off and it all fell out. And then the other bathroom that we already worked on, but we didn't remove the cabinets. We had a hot water knock on the pipe. You could hear it when you turned it off. Well, we figured out why. The vanity's just on the other side of this shower valve. So here's your plumbing. Nothing strapped at all. The cover plate was silicone, which was trying to hold it on. So this kind of crap that we're dealing with here. So it's a freaking nightmare. This is absolutely nuts. So. But we're gonna put it back together correct and have it inspected. Y'all have a great day.